Loctite on there.
All right. Can you get that? You see it? Can you get up under there? This is what a man comes in at and complete this job. Not for me. Almost got it?
Turn it all the way up. Got them all the way up to the top. Done deal.
All right. Yay. Then we take it for a test drive. Check out the difference.
And then you gotta teach your wife when she chocks tires not to put the chock all the way under the tire.
I got you now, though. Perfect cut. First try.
Yeah, what you do, babe, is when you're ready,
Mm-hmm.
just make sure that it's here, all the way down.
Okay.
You don't want it like that.
Oh, not
You
like
want
that.
it down.
Down. Okay.
And then just pop, 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 and you're good to go.
Okay.
So that's that one.
Don't pay no mind to that. That's just, we're gonna fix that up. Sometimes you gotta try to make things work. we got some new items for the van. So here we have a TV mount. So I'm gonna open it up and see if it's the right size. And then I have my window covers, and I'll just do it one at a time. Let's open this up. Everything that I need for the TV. There's some Velcro. And here's a little mount. I can figure out how to do this. Oh. I thought this was long. It's not. Oh, that sucks. Okay, this here I bought to put in the front door opening, the passenger and the driver's side. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it in half or cut it to size. 59 cents at the hardware store. Only 59 cents. About this for the back door. I'm not sure if you can see it. Take it all over here with me. So I could put down on the floor right there. That's what this is here. Yeah. I just got some screws for the TV mount. Hopefully they work. And then this, I've been waiting for these. My son bought these for me for Christmas. So let's see if they're the right size. Oh my goodness, how do you open? Seems a little too big. This cannot. For the driver and passenger side window. I figured it out. All right, let's put up the new window covers. Snap in place. Tuck. They seem a little too big or too long for it. Whatever. There you have it. Right there. We about roll ready now.